In today's video, I'm going to teach you Squarespace how to hide a page from your navigation. If you've ever wanted a page to stay live but not appear in your site's menu, maybe a landing page, a draft, or a seasonal promo, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to do it in Squarespace. First, open your Squarespace site and head to the main dashboard for that site. From the left-hand panel, click Website to enter your site's editor. This is where you manage everything visitors see. Next, choose Pages. The Pages panel is where your navigation is structured. You'll notice sections like Main Navigation, Footer, and Not Linked. Anything in Main Navigation shows in your menu. Anything in Not Linked remains accessible by its URL, but is hidden from your navigation. To hide a page, pick the page you want to remove from the menu, let's say About, and move it into Not Linked. Click and drag the About page from Main Navigation toward the Not Linked section. As you drag, watch for a visual highlight or line that indicates where it will land. When Not Linked is highlighted, release the page to drop it there. You'll see About now listed under Not Linked, confirming it's hidden from the menu but still active. You can still click that About page inside Not Linked to edit it, update content, and copy its link if you want to share it directly. If you'd like to hide another page, repeat the same drag and drop process. For example, grab the coaching page, drag it down toward Not Linked, and release when the highlight shows. That visual feedback is your cue that Squarespace will place the page in the correct hidden section. When you're done, return to your home view to preview how the site looks. Check your navigation at the top. The About and Coaching pages should no longer appear. If you still see them in the preview, give the page a refresh. Keep in mind, hiding a page doesn't delete it. It simply removes it from your menu while keeping the content live for anyone with the direct URL. Once everything looks good, publish your changes. Click Publish your site to make the update live for visitors. A couple of quick tips as you finish up. The Not Linked section is great for landing pages, event pages, and work-in-progress pages you want to share privately. If you're